Keep your phone in pocket. Gently contact with touch panel. Slide to open with a code for a higher security entry level. Unique anti-peek pin code technology can protect pin code in secret, up to 12-digit length. There are other handy features giving you more convenience in different scenarios. You can use privacy mode when you do not want unexpected guests. All access of smartphone, PIN code, card, are disabled. Only a physical key can unlock the door for emergency entry. The toggle switch has two features. One is auto relock, when the door is closed. Additionally, you can choose to set up a certain time for unlocking. It gives you convenience. For example, when you are hosting a party for guests coming in freely, you don't have to lock and unlock door for every guest during the certain time. Another feature of toggle switch is hold open mode. You can turn this on when there is a frequent access needed. Not only people can still come and go freely, it also can save battery power consumption. BSI NR9C, a premium digital door lock, tailored to your home. Born for contemporary hotels.